by watching this video, you will go with your sole proprietorship paying less than $8. As you can see, $7.34. How? Just below this video, I have shared my affiliate link. By clicking that link, as you can see just below in the description, the affiliate link, make sure you're clicking that link, you will come to this website. And you see here, you get 15% off automatically at the time of checkout. And if you directly go on their website, you see this 15% discount is not displayed. So make sure you're clicking the link to avail the discount what I'm showing, all the features what I'm showing in the. Once you're on this page, click get started, and then since it's going to be a new business, you click on new and province. Here we will choose from the drop down Quebec and then click next. Here you compare the options. Since we are going with sole proprietorship, select this and then give a company which has to be a French name. Here my company name is Noah Vision Council and it matches with the requirement. You can go and read this requirement. Here the company's name must be in French. It must contain a distinctive element and descriptive element. They've given an example how it should be. So you can read more on this. And once this is done, click next. You come to this sign up page. So in my case, I have already signed up. If you are doing this for the first time, you enter your first name, email ID, you enter your first name, last name, email ID and password, and then click sign up. Once you sign up, you see here Noah Vision Council, this displays here, and then you fill in this account information, business information, payment, and then the final review. So account information, as you can see, you have to give your phone number and then name as it appears on government ID. So make sure you're looking at your government ID and exactly same way you're giving your name. Then here you enter the prefix. So there are two possible prefix here. You have to choose between these two and then enter the date of birth and your address, which has to be based out of Quebec. So make sure your address is based out of Quebec. Once you do that, come down and here you confirm if your professional address and personal residence are same. If it is not, then you uncheck this box and you enter the professional address detail, what comes here. Then you select this box based on what your status is. Here I'm selecting I'm a Canadian resident. Who is Canadian resident? Someone who is either a citizen or permanent resident who ordinarily reside in Canada. If you're not, then go and read more. You will get to know whether you can proceed or not. So once that is done and you click next, this is asking for Quebec enterprise number. So here I don't have an existing business, that gets selected and then click next. This is the business information page where my company will be sole proprietorship based in Quebec. That gets filled automatically, and then the address. And here my company will operate in, you have to enter closest industry to which you belong to. So if you don't know, just try to enter the keyword. If you are an accountant, just try to enter the accountant keyword. And once you find your industry closest one, you just enter that. So in my case, management consulting firm. Once this is done, I have no employee, so kept it 0. In case you have an employee, then you have to enter the number. Then I operate a tobacco retail outlet. It's kept unchecked. I provide artificial tanning services. This also, in my case, I have kept unchecked. And then click next. This is the name confirmation page. There are certain government requirements. You can go through this. Here my company name is given and also a short description you will have to give. I have kept a very short description. Just try to give as much as detail as possible here. And once that is done, it will show up if it meets the requirement. If it does not meet the requirement, show this to you. It will ask for detail like. So once this has been done, come down and click next. Now for the sole proprietorship, here it shows $49, but don't worry, we'll see how this gets reduced once we go to the next page. And here you can instantly get $49 if you open a RBC bank account. So once we go to next, you see this is the billing information. If you directly go on the government website, it will cost you close to $37, but because you're doing it here absolutely free, there is a Ownr registration fee of $49, which is getting negated with the RBC bank account opening. And once you select this, you get this $49 off, and you have to open the RBC bank account within 60 days. If you don't open, then this discount will not apply and your credit card will be charged for remaining $49. So I've kept it as it is, and the only thing what you're charged is HST on Ownr fee. So you end up paying less than $7. So this is the process. Once you have gone through this, and you click next, you come to final review, that is check, recheck and cross check. And once you're convinced all details are correct, you submit, and thereafter this company will get your sole proprietorship registered. So what is stopping you? Just go ahead and get your sole proprietorship open for less than $7 and make sure you're using the link to avail all the benefit what is shown. In addition, on my website, if you come to this organized link section, I have made videos on information related to businesses, be it how to copyright, patent, business plan, financial plan, all of those, anything which is of your interest, you can go and check this out. So guys, I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching.